Hi, it's me again. Definitely don't have school tomorrow, it's like 10 p.m., but still. Okay, so I decided to make some Christmas themed things. It's time for brownies. Let's get into it. Right now I have a plate, and to that plate I'm gonna add in 2 pieces of chocolate and a bit of butter. So now I'm gonna microwave it until it melts. Meanwhile, I'm gonna get my bowl and I'm gonna crack in 2 eggs. Now I'm gonna whisk my 2 eggs. Okay, so to the egg, I'm gonna add in 170 grams of sugar, and I'm just gonna fold that in. Okay, so I have my melted chocolate and stuff. And now, when we mix it should form such a color. So I'm gonna add in a cup of flour for now. And I'm just gonna sort of mix that in. So now I am going to measure out 200 grams of milk. Oh God. Now I'm gonna add in another cup of flour. Now I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of hot chocolate powder because we want the Christmas vibes, not the brownie vibes. Yes. So now 1/4 a teaspoon vanilla powder, another 1/4 of a teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Do you prefer sweet or savory? Let me know. And also I'm gonna add in 50 grams of butter. I don't want to, but it was in the recipe, so I had to. Okay, so I have a lined piece of parchment paper. Oh God, where's my oil? And now I'm gonna spray it with some oil. There. And now I'm gonna put in the lined piece of parchment paper. And finally add in our cake batter. Brownie batter, not cake batter. Oh my God, I'm such a proud mom. So now, this is optional, but I am gonna add in some white chocolate bits because I have some left over from my snowman. Now I am gonna pop this into the oven until it's soft on the inside. The cake is ready. Okay, so now I'm letting it cool down and then I'll come back to it. I am exhausted, but I will finish this and then go to bed. I will do a hyperlapse of the design. Basically, I'm going for like a snowy look, so it'd be really cute. But yeah. So I'm gonna melt some white chocolate and then like drizzle it over, making the iconic like snowflake. This is the thing that I have created, and it is really pretty. Well, I mean for me, since I'm a beginner in arts on food and stuff. I think I ruined this one as well, but we're gonna ignore that.